everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney if you are new here. In today's video I'm going to be doing this liner look. It's just one product, Q-tip and some spit. If you'd like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. So we're going to start off with Into the Void by About Face Beauty. This is a great retractable pencil. It goes on really fast, really dark, and it sets itself, so you don't have to worry about like it moving around throughout the day. So I like to start off with just that little line because I want it to be pointed. So you just want to make sure that they are going in the same direction because it's very obvious if they're not. You can go back in with a Q-tip to make it a bit more pointed, so don't worry about that just yet. So now I'm going to start connecting that line with the bottom liner. And you want to make this pretty thick. This glides on really easily, so you don't need to put a lot of pressure or anything. It's just great. And you're going to be smudging that, so you just want to get a good amount of product there, and then you're going to go in with a brush and smudge it, so don't worry if it's not absolutely perfect. Now I'm going to start connecting that inner triangle with the top liner. Go that right along the lash line. You want it to be pretty thick, and you want to get it as close to the lash line as possible. You don't want to see any skin. You're going to rim the inner membrane right in there, and then the inner membrane on top as well. For the outer corner, you want that to dip down, not out or up, so it gives more of that swoop down. You're going to connect the bottom liner to that outer corner. You're going to take a brush. This is by Elf. This was from their Cookies and Dreams collection, and just smudge that. It's a firm flat brush, but it's a little bit thicker, so it's kind of fluffy, but it's great for smudging out pencil liner. And you want to smudge that down. Don't touch the top part, just blend that down. If you find that you need a little bit more, just add a little bit more of the black to make that nice and crisp, but you want that like it to transition to like a blur. Now you're just going to take a Q-tip. You can use makeup remover, but it still hasn't set completely yet, so I just use a little spit. Just take a look at how much space is between that second line, and you're going to do the same on the other side. And I'm doing it at kind of an angle. Don't pull it down too far because you're going to have that remnants of the black liner, and you want to be able to clean that up pretty easily. There. Voila. Then you can go back in and finely detail if the wing, you want it to be a little bit more precise, a little bit more pointed. If you want it to go, I like it to go from like that darker black to the fade. So if that was compromised, then I'll just go back in and add a little bit more black. So I just added a little bit more just to make it a little bit more pronounced. Go in with one of your favorite mascaras. I have been using Super Fake by Lottie London. This is really great. I love it because it's got more of like a firmer like rubber brush with spikes, so it really gets into every lash and lengthens and thickens. Also really good mascara if you have like an older mascara that's getting a little bit clumpy and you want to comb through your lashes. This is a really nice brush and product to do that with. Just load up on the top and the bottom. For lips, I'm going to use Sweet Nothing from Juvia's Place. It's just a perfect nude. It has a little bit more depth because I like to see the lip liner a little bit, and then I smudge it too. So I like to start off with something that has a little bit more color. I always line outside the lips. Just a little bit. Oh, under here. And to balance my lip shape, I add a little bit outside the line here and not so much over there because this side of my lip pinches. So I want to balance that, and you can do that really easily with a lip pencil. This is Minted by Lottie London. This is a really nice lip conditioner. I just put a little bit onto my nail. I like that it has a little bit of that green color, like that pastel mint. So it just lightens the lip just a little bit, and it takes down any kind of redness. So if you wanted more of a nude and just a hydrating lip balm, this also stays really nice and shiny for a while. So this works great. You can also throw a little bit on your highlight to create that like glossy look. What a day. And that's it. So it's just like a quick, easy, fun graphic liner. A couple of products, takes no time at all, just a little bit of spit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment. If you'd like to see me do any other kind of makeup, I'm here for you, so leave me a comment. And I love to read them, and I appreciate everybody that does. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.